What's up guys, it's Osirus. Welcome to a brand new video. Hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, let's get right into this. Today we are going to be talking about a transition technique called preloading. Preloading is just the idea of introducing elements from a section in another section of your track. It's like hinting or teasing a melody before the melody comes in another section. So that just makes the transition between sections very smooth. So that's what we'll be talking about today. Yeah, let's take a look at this track. I want you to listen to this chorus. Then I want you to listen to the build up before the chorus. See how they are kind of similar. So I introduced part of this drop bell in the build up before the main thing comes in. So preloading is just like teasing that something is coming in before the actual thing comes in. It's just like a movie where the movie releases a trailer that teases the movie before the main movie comes in. So just teasing that section just makes your listener's brain accept the section better. Let's listen to this in context. Yeah, so this is a track I used this technique, and I've always used this technique, but I've just been more intentional about this recently. You can bring in new elements completely before the track and filter it, or just bring in parts of the element. Let's say you want to introduce drums in the new section. You can bring in some parts of the drums like the kick or the snare, then introduce the full drums in the next section. So that's just the idea behind preloading. So let's look at another track. Listen to this drop. That's the drop in this track, and now listen to the build up. So it's the exact same chord and melody that I play in the build up and in the drop. So the piano in the build up is just like a teaser for the main synth that comes in the drop. So let's listen to this in context. Your brain thinking that, oh, I've already heard this thing before, and it comes in again in a different way. It makes you accept the drop or that next section better. So this is the simple idea behind preloading. And yeah, I've been experimenting with different transition and arrangement techniques lately, and this is just one of the techniques I've been more intentional about. So yeah, I want you guys to try this out, and I want you to just listen to different songs and see how this is being used with different elements, vocals, drums, pianos, different elements. So check this out, and yeah, be more intentional about this. So yeah, that'll be all for today, guys. I hope you learned something from this, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below. I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.